What's up, guys? It's Squashity Gaming. I'm back here with another video. Sorry it's been a while. Or it's just been a hectic month and a half. So I'm sorry it's been a while since I've got a video out. But now I'm back and ready to play some Fortnite. Haven't played Fortnite in probably about a month. So if I ain't that great, won't know why. Battle Royale, let's go. Oh, there's a video. Oh. I saw this. The new skin. I don't remember the name now. Alright, guys. I'm on. So, it's been such a long time since I've played, like I said, about a month. Okay. So, no arena, I don't think. I don't see any arena, huh? Let's see. Oh. Oh, here it is. Alright, guys, time to start. Alright, guys. So, here we go. I'm trying to get my teammates to land at retail row. I'm gonna assume that's one panda. I was waiting to see if anybody else jumped out. So, all of us, but I think that's everybody. Oh, no, Dirty Bit jumped over there. Alright, guys. So, like I said, I haven't played Fortnite in a while, so if I ain't that great, please don't get mad. I haven't played in probably over a month. Submachine gun. Alright. I'm scared. What? I'm just gonna go. Alright. Alright. After this guy, I'm gonna do arena. Unless I win, and then I might play another squad. Shoot, I thought there were enemies and all they had were pickaxes. So now I'm dead. But I have 3 teammates that are on retail now. So let's see, are any of them going to try to get... Oh, this one is. But little did my teammates know that I was one person trying to kill me. Oh, great, and this person is level 5. The one person who wants to... Oh. Oh, hit him. Oh, this is the other one. Okay, go out. Yes, got my reboot card. Okay, now they run into the reboot van. So they only did 31 damage on one of them. Oh, need to get that kill fast. Ah! Alright, now they're about to... Ah, same person who killed me. I feel like it's a whole squad. This one's about to die. But they did end up only 11 meters from the reboot van. Oh, nice! Alright, other teammates down, I feel like. Yep. Alright, so guys, I'm kind of scared because I don't want it to just be a duo. I want the whole squad to be here. So if I had to guess, I would think, here's what I would do if I was in this situation, with one teammate's reboot card collected and the other 2 are down. I would try to collect one. I would try to collect the other one and then use a different reboot van. Go out to, like, probably Lazy Lake is where I would go. Okay, I wish I could move the screen to see where the other guys are. Alright. Uh-oh. Oh, nice, nice! Oh! Hi, guys. After that, I want one more chance to try to do good on squads. Jacked up there. So this round I'm going to try to show you a hidden gem in Fortnite. A very good good spot that nobody else is gonna land at. So, you're gonna, there's a couple of landmarks. That's where I'm ultimately gonna go, but here's where you're gonna go first. Right on top of this hill is gonna be a house. So I'll pin it for you guys real quick. So this is where you're gonna land first. There's not great loot here, but there's enough that'll get you by till you get down there. And I have not landed here since the primal season began. And I recommend this for only 2 to 3 people. Which in my case, only me and one other person landed here. This is gonna be a basement. It says no entry, but don't let that scare you. I'm just gonna break this to see if there's a chest behind it and something. No, I don't know how I'm gonna get out. Right there, right here, there's gonna be a chest. And if you're lucky, you're gonna get the mechanical explosive of biogas, apparently. And stage slayers, apparently. Let's play in the match to talk with the character. I can hire them. I'm gonna buy these animal brains. Okay, destroy structures, deal damage. I'm gonna hire them. So guys, so yeah, there's some decent stuff here. Apparently you can hire this guy. I didn't even know he was in the match until today, because I have not landed here since this season began. A lot of people are likely to miss this. And I have probably landed here, if I had to guess, probably about 10 times over the course of 3 seasons. I played multiple seasons, but oh, I think this person fought somebody. Alright. Teammates down. I can't really help them. Alright, guys. But I've had people up there. I've never had anybody at the gas station at the beginning of the round. A lot of people will stop here to gas up, obviously, on their cars near the end of matches if you're in the circle. Oh. I thought I might as well give him that. He needs it. Let's see. This will give you a shield mushrooms. I think this guy did a lot of stuff down here. This is something pretty fun to do. This is something I would recommend. Make sure nobody's around and stand back. It's really fun though. I love doing that every single time. It's so fun. Hold on, guys. Give you one more, and that's everything. So now, in the future, nobody else can land here. And squad, and I'm probably gonna keep doing squad. It's for tips. What the? It's a vehicle mod off-road tire. Wow. That's what it is. I remember these. Hey. Got him. Some mechanical explosive bow. I can do this mainly. And it still shows up as a gas station even if it's inaccessible. Oh. I'm gonna try to... Ah! Did it work? Yep, I got him a shield. I remember that. Ah! Alright, somebody else just ran into us. I plan on seeing that truck come over the horizon. Oh god, we just collided. Alright, I don't know where this guy plans on going. Oh, Oh shoot, he's using the boost. We're gonna run out of gas. That was a low gas gauge signal thing. Oh god, we still have that semi chasing us. And we're completely submerged underwater and still going. Okay, I just did 31 damage to whoever is inside of it. I'm trying to figure out where he must have went. We're gonna run out of gas soon. Or this will explode. Our entire... that means we're out of gas, bud. I'm gonna... this guy thinks he can keep going. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and destroy that semi. Alright, I ran out of ammo and I'm not trying to use my chemical explosive bow ammo. We gotta go back this way, they're gone. And cause I saw a taxi driving away. Somebody else was in a taxi. And I need to get some ammo. And I'm gonna light this fireplace right here. I'm gonna try to get some wood to ignite it. Oh, hey. Yeah, it's, I don't need it, so I'm gonna come in here, see what there is. Cool little chest. Whoa, I didn't even know you could do that. That's just for penning. Emerald wood stoke costs 200 then. I think you get 200 wood, but I'm gonna just destroy this to get some metal. Okay. Mechanical parts. Under crafting, you cannot craft it. Oh, I can't craft nothing. So now I can use that, and then I can pick it up. It's pretty cool. I didn't even know about that. Let's be near. Oh, I'm gonna do it for the fun of it. I wouldn't call it a must-have, but it's cool. And if you see somebody who already used it and then pick it back up, maybe you can have it. I don't know if that would work. I don't want that. He could have it. He pinned it. Oh, no. That's flowing the opposite way of the circle. Never mind. I'll run it alongside the stream on the opposite side. Like the opposite way the river is flowing. Oh, there's some fishing rods over here. I'll probably drop the band-aids. Please have medium ammo. Please have medium ammo. It does. Okay, let's see. What's this there? I remember it. Wow. Oh yeah, this is where it does. My first catch, 68.7 centimeters. Wow, somebody caught a 103 centimeter one. I'm trying to right where that spot is, the fish spot. Got a little ammo. Oh, he found the spot. Oh, he was too late. He waited like 2 seconds. Oh, nice, he caught something. Shield. He can have that. He needs to catch it first. That's kind of funny watching him chase it. Okay, I moved in on his spot right here. Oh, rusty can. Ah. I can see where she's coming from now. I had to chase my fishing rod down. A primal SMG, I'll take that. It's decent. Now I'll just float downstream out of the circle on it. First catch, a light blue shield fish. I'm throwing it to him in case he wants it. Although he can't use it, probably not. Hun. Oh, he wants to go. This is something fun that I like to do to mess with my teammates. I like to use this and try to hook them and bring them in. Harpoon guns will work really good for that. Don't shoot me. I can make creepy threats too. And by the way, guys, you're not gonna do damage doing that to your teammates. And on PC, you press E to pick it up. Oh wow, I didn't mean to do that. That's kind of funny. That helped me not at all. I'm a good one in the circle. You know what would be fun that the Epic should make, guys? A never-ending storm. The storm just continues to come in and in. Jeez. I mean, this guy's pretty good. He's, for being a default, he's getting materials. Maybe he just didn't want to spend money on the game. Oh, I should have equipped the face palm for this one. I'm gonna do face palm. I wonder how. Whoa! Oh! Haha! I just shot for 89. I knocked him. Alright, somebody's attacking me. There they are. Okay. Got him. Is the only teammate. Got him. Whoa. Infantry rifle. Not a big fan of that. Or stuff like that. Okay. Oh, I think I hit it. It's smoking. Alright guys, I hope I can drive this, because if you can, I'm gonna drive it. Okay, it must have went this way. This is the only way to the circle. Pretty much, Dirty Docks is the only main area you can go. Oh, here it is. At least here's where the vehicle is. I don't see where the people are at. Oh, I was wondering what car that was, if that was my teammate or not. I'm gonna use left control to switch seats. I'm trying to get to the passenger seat. This guy know what he's doing? I don't think. I think he just wanted to drive it for fun. Uh-oh. It's up to my almost dead teammate. Well, I'm down. They can still revive me though if they win this crazy fight. He needs to use a bandage. He's at 7 health. 3. Get in the car, guy! Oh, because they know if they destroy the car and he's dead. Well, 5th place, guys. And I changed my mind about Arena. Arena's really hard. Although I am in the first one. Nah. Wow, I completed a ton of quests. And those are the ones I've probably completed. Wow. Dang, I probably leveled up after that one. I was on level 23. But those were some good players. I unfortunately never killed anyone. I did knock one down though. Next time, that's going to be my main focus. Knock somebody down and then kill them. And focus on one person instead of like 10 at one time. Like that. There's like 3 people there. Alright guys, so time to play the next round. Gonna go to Retail Row for this one, huh? Okay, so where's this Retail Row? I wasn't even sure where I was landing at. I just wanted to go to my teammates. So this is where I died really fast the time before last. Guys, this is where I landed and I died really fast. Okay, I already killed him. This is how I out. So I just ended it. Ooh, good thing I got him, because there's a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna chuck that. Okay, can I upgrade the makeshift bow? Nope, I need 4 animal bones. But then, if I get 4 animal bones... My teammate just killed somebody with a pickaxe. And hey guys, here's another little tip for you guys. If you land in Retail Row, here's a trick. Go through this chain fence, destroy that, and there's always a chest up there. Now that I think about it, there's a chest in one place in one round. I think it's probably going to be in the next round. It may not be stuff you need, but a lot of times I'll have shield stuff drop from there. Because here's another little tip for you guys. Different chests will drop different things, but usually they'll drop a lot of the same things, same chests. Even if it's a different round, it's not always the same thing, but sometimes it'll be the same thing. Put in the comments what your favorite primal weapon is, like your favorite primal and your favorite makeshift. My favorite primal is probably the primal mechanical bar, I think. And my favorite makeshift gun is probably the makeshift revolver. I like it more than a regular revolver. Oh, hey. Okay. And this is, I just saw something, guys. This is also good if you're trying to shoot somebody. Like a gun. Shoot. Oh, here. Here, car. Oh. It's my teammates. Okay, I'm gonna try to get over there. Oh, I wonder if you can carry 2 at once. No. Okay, I'm gonna drive in this and get over there. I'm probably gonna run out of gas by the time I get over there. I'm already at low fuel. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. What do you use to entice them into trying to... Oh, it's chasing like a frog, I think. Ah! 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 Okay, odd. Oh no, guys. Oh, he's down. I got 4 animal bones, which is how many I need, and some meat to heal myself back up. Alright, but now I can fix that makeshift bow. I can craft it. Alright, guys. So, I cannot, unfortunately, upgrade this. I need more animal bones. That's alright. Whoa, what's this? A stink sack. It's a crafting ingredient. Can I... Oh, I can upgrade this to a primal stink bow. That's fine, but I'm unleashing the cloud. A cloud of stink on impact. Get for the fun of it, I'm gonna shoot this there. So it's like a stink air. So if it hits somebody, not only does it do damage, it also creates like what used to be a stink bomb. If you're newer in Fortnite, you probably don't know, but a stink bomb was something you could throw at somebody while they were inside of somewhere. It was really cool. And it looks like one of my teammates is about to die. Alright, I'm gonna ditch this. Uh-oh. 2 of my teammates are down. I'm running to Lazy Lake. I'm gonna hop in this car. Maybe they just got knocked by falls? Maybe they didn't actually. That's what I wish, but I think somebody that's level 90 and 100 would know better. Yep, it's people. There's people. Alright, let's see. Alright. Okay. So, I'm gonna get in here discreetly, though. Guys, gotta be really discreet about this. Alright, I see you. Oh god. I just called out to pick up that. What's this? Mechanical shockwave bow. Not interested. I'm just gonna shrink back in here. Alright. But now I'm scared because I want to. Alright. It's now or never, guys, because Lazy Lake isn't in the circle, so I don't think no one would be here. Alright, guys, I'm freaking out. I'm about to get stuck in the storm trying to revive my teammate. They could probably be in the storm when they respawn. Ah! Oh, now I'm in the storm. Yes, it worked. Oh, they're in a vehicle. Apparently, that's another tip. With the vehicle mod off-road tires, is it use them and pick up E as soon as you leave the ground and you can pick them up. Uh-oh, I see somebody. They're in like a jet ski thing. How do you know? I thought Fortnite Volt did, but okay. Alright. So now I'm down to 42 health, guys. This is terrible. Okay. Here comes that Esmond. Alright, I gotta look in here though. I gotta find something. Okay, here's Deadfire. Ain't seen you before, Cowpike. On Marksman 6-shooter, I don't have enough saddling. I won't hire Deadfire. Nobody's hired anybody on this match. I have to break this down because I'm trying to go out. That's what I was trying to for. Haha, that worked. Yes, meat. I need that more than he does. I mean, yeah. You can have the animal bones. I mean, I kind of wanted them, but okay. Alright. Alright, guys. So, I'm just trying to follow him. Alright, so Leo the Beast is here somewhere over here. I'm gonna try to meet up with him right at the edge of the circle. Whoa, what did he just use? I know what that was, and I see him now. Oh, I think he glitched himself up with a bow. Oh, Hey guys, this is pretty cool. Watch this. I can walk around and... Oh, and hold on. Can I craft anything? Not right now. Now, there's a really funny glitch. If you pick up a chicken and you can and craft something, the chicken is the hammer. It's hilarious. I always wanted to use that glitch. Alright, so I'm almost here where my other teammates are at. Uh-oh. Ugh. Let's see if Deathfire will jump. I don't think he will. What's he doing? Where's he going? Oh, that's smart. He can still get up, though. Okay. Cool, and he's getting stuff. Oh. Meh. Okay, I'm gonna light it. Oh, hey, he just threw me a bunch of band-aids. Okay, I'm gonna try to hurry and use this before I reach too much health. There. Oh. Need more wood. Oh, I was gonna try to get some wood to stoke it, but he was nice enough to, for me. Wait, so I'm at 100 health and 17. Okay, guys, down to 22 players. People are gonna start dying fast because the circle's getting a little small. To cram 21 now. To try to cram 21 people in it. Wow. Wait, I wonder where the zipline takes you. Oh, shoot. Never mind. It takes you into the storm, but I think if it's not in the storm, usually what it's going to do is it'll carry you over this big lagoon. Now I need to get back over before I get caught in the storm. My teammate just so nice enough to give me some bandages and stoke the fire up again. And I ain't trying to lose a bunch of that health already. Alright guys, so depending on how I place here, this may be the last round here, cause people, like I said, people are dying fast, so I may do one more, cause 18 people, and look how small the circle is. I just brought up the map. It's pretty small, and I just ran into a wall because I was looking at the map. Here's another tip, guys: don't run into walls. And really, just in general, don't look at the map too much. Hold on, can I hire him too? Hire Cluck. So now I've hired Cluck and I've hired Deathfire. What the heck? He's just shooting. There's nothing for him to shoot at. He's shooting at the wall. I feel like somebody may be over this horizon, guys. Nothing, I don't see nobody. What? He's not even following me like Deathfire did. I think that's his name, Deathfire, right? I know, I can't check. Alright guys, 13 people. This is, if people are spread out, this is plenty big enough for 13 people. And in this case, 7 squads. We're probably one of the largest squads then. Uh-oh. Hold on, I'm about to figure out what the heck a hunter's cloak does. Y inspect. V inspect, yeah. Jacket, oh, no, this. those creatures off the scent. Oh. Well, I don't want that then. Oh, hey, just threw me a couple. Alright, so it looks like Leo the Beast is gone for the round, guys. It looks like Westerman is down here. Alright, guys. Stuff is throwing down right here. This is starting to get hectic, guys. 9 people. Apparently I was wrong. The circle isn't big enough. The nearest reboot van's being engulfed by the storm as we speak. Well, as I speak. So multiple people have the eyes on my teammate. Ah! Where are these people at? Oh, there they are. Oh crap. He's coming for me. What in the name of... Oh my gosh, I'm so scared, guys. Alright, ah! Alright, guys, I have nothing for healing. This is bad, guys. I see no area I can camp out for a minute. Oh my gosh, probably the first chest today I've opened that had nothing in it. Yes! Alright guys, so it's not like I'm totally teammateless, but I need to go. I was busy looking at the map, guys. I'm gonna do one more here, guys. No matter what place I finish, I'll do one more here, guys. And then that'll be it. And 4th place in that round. If I get dead last in this next round, it's gonna be my last round. Dang. My teammates didn't die. Chance I could have won that. And it was a team of 3 going at me. Oh. I can say a team of 4, but that's not a team. Oh wow, yeah, those guys are good. I'm not upset. I died. I'm upset I died, but I'm happy I died to these people who are really good. Alright guys, for my final round today, I am going to go to Bernie Burbs. I have a full squad on me. Unfortunately, 2 of them are not only defaults. 2 of them are lower than me, and the one that's higher than me happens to be a default. So we'll see how this goes. I mean, the default couldn't be too bad. He's double mine, but I probably might be at 100, guys, if I played a little more. If I have played more over this last month. Ah, yes! I didn't land. I got scared. And because I couldn't find the building that I landed in last. Somebody else can have this other small. Alright guys, it's a little freaky, because, I mean, it's my last round. Somebody was shooting something, whether that be a teammate or an enemy. I don't have an idea. Ah, that's an enemy, guys. Alright, I'm just hiding here. Okay, knocked him. Shake him. And they're down. Okay, somebody can have... what's it? Hold on, what's this? Alright, actually, never mind. I'm gonna keep all of this. And he has shockwave grenades. These may help in the near future. Uh-oh. Ah, he got nothing. Ah! Didn't see that coming. Alright guys, I gotta heal up before I go try to save my teammates. Alright, and I just saw somebody with a pickaxe out, so it's just that they don't even have a gun. Alright guys, I'm freaking out. I'm the only person of my team alive. Okay guys, I may be at full shield, but I may just try to grab the reboot cards and book it somewhere. Well, not that guy, because his reboot cards ended. Okay guys, alright, I just came out of the shadows. Alright guys, I'm going to the Spire, guys, with one teammate. I'm going to the Spire. Well, actually that teammate's dead. But with one teammate's reboot card because the other one left. Ah! Alright guys, so it was the people who killed my teammates who are after me now. Okay guys, I'm just gonna use this until it burns out, cause alright. Oh. Well, now I have enough. Okay guys, I'm not 100% cause I don't have full health anymore. Alright guys, it's gone. I'm out of here. Okay guys, I'm almost to the Spire. This may be the lowest level teammate, level 5, but one time guys, I won a squads game with an entire squad of defaults. And they were all lower than me, and I was at like level 50. And they happened to all survive. Okay, I gotta shut this door, cause I don't like hearing that. Oh shoot, cause the Spire is where those things are. I don't know what you call them. I don't know what they're called, guys. The guys who try to attack you if you get near the Spire. They'll try to kill you if you get anywhere near the Spire. Okay, guys. So I do hear shooting. I'm kind of scared. Oh. Okay, I hear the reboot van. Uh-oh, guys, it's not. Somebody must have used it recently. It's not all the way charged up. Why wait? I'm gonna try to find something to heal me. Well, here's ammo. Once in a while, ammo actually has shield, small shields, guys. Oh, I hear it. I just heard it. Alright, guys. I'm going down here to... Okay. I just gotta live long enough to get my teammate revived, guys. I've tried this. It was tough. I hear the primal. Oh, they can have it. They need it more than I do, guys. Hi, guys. I just got a play fishing rod. I'm scared, though, to be standing on the deck near the spire. Oh, I think I got a destroying fish. Probably a bad idea. Mine wasn't even in the water. Okay. Why do I feel like I have numerous guns that take the same ammo? Yeah. Alright. And here's a little tip, guys. If you have a pro fishing rod, that's better than a regular fishing rod because you're going to get more of your stuff when you bring your line in. Like in my case, it's a flop hopper. I just got my new personal best. Guys, put in the comments if after you draw your bow if you can bring it back. Because I don't think you can. In case like I did, if you do what I just did, I accidentally just drew back my bow. I think this would have been handy to have when people were shooting at me. So guys, I don't think I'm gonna win this game because as of the difficulty it's gonna be with a level 5 newbie, most likely a newbie, and having to win and with there being full squads probably. Okay, so I'll buy all the animal bones from them. Ooh, well now I'm now I'm out of money. Cost a ton of money though. Collect the meat. Quest accepted. No, I don't want the bandages. But yeah, even if you don't need them, you can still get stuff from them. Even if you don't need it, like right on here, it's not a weapon that you want or need. Or small shields that you need. But sometimes it might be handy to have them if you have a little bit of extra room in your pack. Okay, I'm a little scared. Alright, guys. Is that right there? No, no, no. What is that thing, like, right in front of me? This way. Oh, sure, I hope I didn't just mistake my teammate. I think I know what I meant. Oh, and it looks like I'm about to reveal a new area on here. I need this a little more than they do. Alright guys, I mean, I'm happy I made it this far, 30 people, whoa, I accidentally jumped. 13 squads left, so I finished in the top 15, so I'm happy, even if I don't win. Because I only have one recorded win since I started filming. I've won a squad game before since I started the YouTube channel, but I was, of course, that day, my camera, I couldn't record anymore because my computer storage was unfortunately full. Uh-oh. Ah, he spotted me. He spotted me. Alright, guys, I got a plan. I'm gonna hide inside of this bush. Oh, he doesn't know where we're at. Haha. That's another little tip for you guys. I just hide and then hide and then if somebody is randomly shooting you like that, if you're not sure, if you're not sure, just do what I just did. I didn't take any damage from him. It's now in the storm over there. Oh, hey guys, I'm gonna try to catch a fish from here or something. Catch something. I got really lucky to hide this here. Oh wow, I just caught a small fry. That's funny. I think that was like a wildlife, some kind of. I think it may have been a wolf, but. Okay, it's dead. Alright, crafting. Actually, guys, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna see if I can try to find a chicken to show you guys what I'm talking about. It's really, really cool. I've only got to do it once before, and it was on accident. And I was holding a chicken, and I was about to kill it, and I was like, first I wonder if there's anything that I can craft. I have to see if that was even going to do me any good at killing it. If I see somebody, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna. So 10 players remaining, which means 6 squads left. Oh, land my guessing grab. There's not gonna be any chickens here, obviously. That'd be kind of funny if there was. So I'm gonna call it a mustard thing to hold a chicken up in the air. It's just a funny little thing. Now, if I'm not mistaken, crafting. I can actually craft this bow. And I can still craft it. I hope they keep crafting now. I really do. My perfect one would be the season, probably the season 5. The season 5 map with all the guns from now and from season 5. I know what my teammate's talking about with those people over there. Knocked him. Alright, now somebody else is coming. I'm down. So I'm trusting a level 5 player. Oh, somebody snuck up behind us. 4th place again, guys. 4th place twice. That's gonna be it for today, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye, guys.